Hey guys and gals, I'm going to show you how to make an uncontrolled railroad crossing MILS plate with Lego bricks for today's tutorial. Let's begin with a 32 by 32 stud base plate. In the corners, a set of 2 by 2 bricks. Then 8 1 by 4 Technic bricks. These are going to be used to anchor down our MILS plates to other MILS plates. So just place these right next to our 2 by 2 bricks as shown. Let's set 4 2 by 6 bricks on the left and right hand sides. And in these two areas, a set of 2 by 4 plates. We're going to start building up the platform for our track. Set those there. A set of 2 by 4 flat tiles. These are going to aid into sliding our tracks onto this MILS plate. And we're going to build this area up with a set of 2 by 2 plates. Set 4 2 by 3 bricks in these areas. This is going to help support our sidewalk up to the track. Let's take several 2 by 4 plates. Here on the top, I want to place one perpendicular to the 1 by 4 Technic brick and one perpendicular to that. And we're just going to continue on this pattern. This is going to support our road. It joins to other MILS plates. So we can keep everything the same height. And once we get done with that, we're going to do the same thing down here with a few more 2 by 4 plates. Yes, it'll be a while before we'll be able to drive on this road. I'm going to take a bit of time here to build all this up. Place that last one there. Back in the top left, we're going to set down a 2 by 4 plate right here. And I'm going to mirror that down on the bottom left, and we're just going to work our way around. And yes, these are critical where these are placed, so we got to be very careful where these go. And 4 2 by 2 plates. I want to have these line up with this plate and this plate. So we'll go in like that. We'll place 2 more down here. Right here, we're going to set down a 2 by 4 plate where it's down by 1 stud. Then I want to proceed on with 3 2 by 2 plates where there are 2 studs apart. And a 2 by 4 plate there. Let's repeat this down here with another set of 2 by 4 and 2 by 2 plates. Just be sure to keep the 2 by 2 plates 2 studs apart. Get that last 2 by 4 plate right there. We're going to place 4 2 by 4 plates right on top of our 2 by 4 and 2 by 2 plates. This is going to be the center supports for our railroad track. Place 4 more 2 by 4 plates here on the bottom. All this way, we still haven't put anything interesting in yet. And 4 1 by 2 plates on both sides. Now we're going to take a set of 2 by 6 plates. We're going to place these right on top of these 2 by 4 and 2 by 2 plates. This is going to aid in the support when we have a road transition over the track. Let's take an 8 by 16 straight track. On one end, I'm going to set down a set of 1 by 4 plates. I want to make 2 of these. I want to place these together as shown. Then I want to take this track assembly, and we're going to set this right here, right on top of our plates. Now we're getting into the interesting stuff. Just be sure you really want to press that down. So yes, it's extra crunchy for your entertainment. Get that down there, make sure it's attached firm. Take a 4x8 plate. Let's set down 4 1x8 flat tiles. Now, if you don't have to use reddish brown, but I'm going to get a little brave here. Cover the whole plate. I'm going to need to make 4 of these, and then I'm going to place these right on top of our railroad ties. This is going to give it that old wood look. Now, if you have dark brown, that would be even better. And I didn't use reddish brown 4x8 plates. I didn't have enough in 2. Well, I've already broken one of those on another project that I did years ago, and I'm a bit squirmy on using those. But there we go. Make sure that's pressed down firm. Take 8 2x6 bricks. I'm going to place these right here in these 4 areas. This is going to build up the curb for our sidewalk and for the street. And we'll place the last 2 right over here. And yes, I'm reaching around the tripod, so this angle's a bit challenging for me to see. And 4 1x1 bricks in these areas. This is just going to finish up these corners. And we're going to take 6 4x6 plates. We're going to place 3 on the top and 3 on the bottom. We need to level out our platform for our road. Yes, making MILS plates, you got to do a lot of framework just to make it really strong and sturdy. Now let's place 8 1x6 flat tiles along our 2x6 and 1x1 bricks. These are going to be the base of our gutters. Set these right here. And we'll do the same thing on the bottom. I think we're getting to the exciting parts now. It took us a while, but we're getting there. And we're going to start building up our ramps with 4 6x8 slopes. Place these to where the lip is on the track, and we have a 1 stud reveal on our plates. So now we got this nice smooth transition from the road that we're going to be paving in a moment or 2 over the track. So we're going to take several 2x4 flat tiles, and we're just going to start flat tiling over this 2 stud wide opening. We don't want to fall in there while we're traveling down the road. That would not be fun. Especially for my Lego vehicles. I don't want to have a bunch of unaligned tires. Place those there. And we'll finish up this right here. And then we're going to finish up the top and bottom with several 1x8 flat tiles. This is going to fill in this void. Now, if you choose, you can use a white line. Tell your vehicles to stop behind the line. And there's a train approaching. Place a couple more of these on the top. That's the last 2 right here. Let's build up our sidewalks, starting with 4 2x3 plates. Place these in these corners. And we're going to wrap around the sides with several 2x4 plates. Place 4 on the bottom and 4 on the top. This will also lock in our joints from our previous row of bricks. And after we are done, a few 2x3 plates in the corners. And then after that, we're going to fill in the remaining areas with 4 1x6 plates to level up this areas for the tiles. Let's take several 6x6 flat tiles. Now you're going to have to muscle these in. We're going to set these in as shown. Now I could just speed build through this, but you know what, I'm kind of like a chatty Cathy today, so I'm going to just kind of just include some commentary with these. But as you can see, we're covering up those holes, and now it's starting to look pretty good. Now if you choose, you could leave one of these out, put some supports underneath to have a controlled intersection where you can have some crossing gates go up and down. Place this last one right here. Yes, it's a lot of crunchiness. Let's make sure all that's really pressed down. And we're going to finish it off with several 1x6 flat tiles. And in the corners, a set of 1x1 flat tiles. Now this is just merely a demonstration on how to make an uncontrolled railroad crossing. I need one of these for a project, and yes, this type of crossing does exist where I'm at, so you have to be very careful when crossing trains. Sometimes they'll even have a stop sign or a yield sign. And we'll put these here to complete our uncontrolled railroad crossing intersection.